This tutorial will show you how to change image duration in Premiere Pro. First of all, I'm gonna importing a image. Dragging it into my timeline. And playing it. As we can see, the current duration of this photo is 5 seconds. To change the default image duration, click on Edit, Preferences, Timeline, and here we'll find Still Image, Default Duration option. Select here seconds. And I'm gonna changing the duration to 10 seconds. Okay. So I'm gonna deleting the image from my timeline. I'm gonna reopening the photo. Dragging it into my timeline. And if I play the image, and as you can see, the current duration is 10 seconds. So that's how we can change image duration in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Real River. See you in the next video.